Hello everyone. So in this pre-lecture tutorial, we're going to build on what we learned in the previous section related to solution concentration, and we're going to apply it to a very specific type of problem that comes up frequently in the chemistry lab. Sometimes when we use reagents in aqueous solution, the concentration of that aqueous solution is a little bit too high for what I need to do, and so I need to water down or dilute the solution to a concentration that's lower. And we call that watering down process dilution. And basically what that would look like is I would have my original solution already prepared, and I would need to remove a certain amount of it using a pipette. A pipette's basically just an instrument that's used to actually transfer liquids from one container to the other. I would then take this known amount and go and put it into a new flask, a new container, and then add some additional solvent. All right? When I do that, basically then I will have a new solution with a lower concentration. Okay, and so basically we have to have a way of calculating, all right, what this new concentration would be. Or if I already know what the new concentration is, then obviously I would need to know how much of my original solution to use. And so we're going to spend the next couple of days getting acquainted with that procedure of how we actually do those calculations. And really, the math behind it is not all that difficult. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to use the following formula. The formula is I'm going to take my original concentration, okay, multiply it by my original volume, or the volume of original solution used. Okay, I'm going to set that equal to the new concentration of the solution, multiply that by the volume of the new solution that's prepared. Okay, so let's have a look at this example problem. In this problem, they're asking what is the final concentration. So the final concentration would be C2. That's what they're asking me for. When I take half a liter of 6 molar hydrochloric acid. So basically the 6 molar hydrochloric acid, that's the original solution, and 6 molar is its concentration. And I'm taking half a liter of it. So that's the volume of the original solution used in the dilution. And we're going to prepare a final volume of the new solution, or V2, of 1 liter. And so what would have to happen is you'd have to use this dilution formula, in this case solving for C2. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is divide both sides of the equation by V2. Okay, if I do that, I get C2 is equal to C1 times V1 over V2. So if I substitute in, that would be 6 molar times the volume of half a liter divided by 1 liter. Okay, so if you notice the liter units drop out, I'm going to get a concentration unit of molar, which again I'm expecting since I'm calculating a concentration. And if I do that, basically if you notice all I'm doing is taking 6 and multiplying by 0.5, that means that this new solution would have a concentration of 3 molar. Okay, now all of the problems you're going to have with this dilution formula are variations of the same procedure. You're going to solve for the missing variable. So go ahead and answer the questions that are attached to this pre-lecture tutorial video so that you have some practice using the dilution formula, and we'll go ahead and continue discussing this topic in class. If you have any questions, again, email or bring up your questions in class. All right, have a good night.